Hello everyone, these are the blocks for my next project. I am making a blanket using these blocks. To make these blocks, we are going to make a flower and then change that flower circle into a square. To make these flowers, we will first make the circle, the center, and then these petals, and then this round of granny clusters. To make flowers for my blanket, I am using this kind of yarn because I thrifted it and I wanted to use it, so I came up with a plan to make my blanket in multicolor flowers. You can choose, of course, whatever yarn you have or whatever yarn you want to get rid of. Let's make slip knot. Wrap your yarn around your finger, insert your crochet hook and take out the yarn. Tighten it and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back in the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now we will make 3 chains. This is our first double crochet. We are going to make 11 more double crochets in this tiny space. Remember, we are counting the first chain 3 as our first double crochet. In total we should have 12. So this is 3, count with me, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It's very important that you get 12 double crochets in all, including the first chain 3. Why? Because your petals will be made in these double crochets. If you have more or less crochets, double crochets, then your flower will of course have wrong number of petals. I am using red color for my flower. Slip stitch in any of these wheels, in any of these double crochets, and make your first chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we made the center with double crochets. The petals will be made with triple crochets. To make triple crochet, you will first make chain 4 and then wrap yarn twice around your crochet hook. The remaining method is the same. Wrap your yarn twice around your crochet hook, insert in the stitch, wrap yarn again, slide first 2 loops, wrap yarn again, slide next 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops and 3 triple crochets. Wrap your yarn once again and slide through all 3. So this is your triple crochet cluster and this is your 1 petal. Chain 2, and next triple crochet. We will wrap yarn twice and go in the next stitch. So now you have 4 loops. Wrap your yarn again, slide first 2 loops, wrap yarn again, slide next 2 loops. Do not finish the stitch. Wrap yarn again, slide first 2 loops, slide next 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops. Wrap your yarn twice again to make the last stitch. Now we have 4 loops. Finish all of them. 2 chains, wrap yarn twice and next triple crochet. Now I'm going to speed up. Second triple crochet, and third. Last petal, 2 chains, 2 wraps in the last stitch. First triple crochet, second, third, finish them together, chain 2, and in the first chain 4 space we will slip stitch and join. This is a circle, our flower, and now we will make it a square using granny cluster. Look at these two side by side. This is circle, this is now square. In these chain 2 spaces we are going to make our granny clusters, and for corners we are going to use triple crochets. In between those triple crochets we are going to make clusters of double crochet using double crochets. Fine, let's start. So make slip stitch, anywhere in the circle, make slip knot and then slip stitch. Chain 4 for the first triple crochet, wrap your yarn twice and make first cluster of triple crochet. Wrap yarn again. Remember, now we are finishing our clusters. We have made our first cluster of triple crochet, then we will make 2 chains and then next cluster, last triple crochet for the cluster, and then we will go to the next space and make double crochet clusters. 1, 2, 3. When you will reach your second corner, then you will be able to see that this circle is taking shape of a square. Now we have made 2 clusters, 2 granny clusters of double crochets. We have reached corner, and here we will make triple crochet clusters. Second cluster of triple crochet, start over. See, it's taking shape now. Let's go to the next side. Double crochets, 3 double crochets, one more, and now we are back in the corner. Triple crochet, chain 2, and next triple crochet cluster. So now I'm going to speed up, but I will stay with you. If you want, you can slow down the speed of the video and finish the square with me. We have just finished last granny cluster, and we will go and join with the first chain 4. And this is what our circle looks like. It's lovely. So I will make 2 more rounds. I had started the second round and I am almost about to finish it. Let me just quickly recap how you will make second round, because it is a little different from our first round. In first round we made triple crochets in the corners, but in second round and onwards, if you are making third and fourth round as well, you will follow the same pattern, that is double crochets throughout. Because we have gained symmetry, our corners are now equal. If you look at this block, it's a square now. Our corners are equal. We do not need any more height anywhere. So from second round onwards, we are going to use only double crochets. So I am about to hit my corner, and I will make my first cluster, chain 2, and complete my cluster. In the next space, next, and this is the last space before my corner. And I will make one cluster in my space. I am making cluster in my space because I have started my second round with just one cluster in the corner. So I have made my second cluster, and now I am going to make 2 chains and join in the third chain. Now this is what it looks like. If you want, you can continue with the same color. I want to change color, so let me show you how to do it. To change colors, you can either bind off here and start next color anywhere, or instead of finishing my round, instead of using this color to make slip stitch, I will use my new color. I have both stitches on my crochet hook, and I will make slip stitch of my new color, and then using this third loop, new color, I will complete my stitch. Tighten both the yarns, make your chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is chain 3. I will turn my work. Let me make this cluster and then I will cut the yarn. Chain 2 for the corner and complete the cluster. In the next space, I will go to the next corner with you, and then I will leave you on your own. It's becoming bigger and there is more and more space between the two corners. We have reached the corner, and this is the first cluster. Chain 2, and let's turn the corner by making second cluster. And one more for the road. Let's see how it's looking. It's getting bigger and bigger. See? So you can complete your block following the same pattern and have a beautiful, colorful blanket or whatever you are trying to make. Have fun until the next time.